Welcome everyone to my Solana cryptocurrency price analysis and technical details of 21st of September 2023. We're looking forward to discovering the most important things. In the meantime, make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel where we have bot trading videos and everything that is quite interesting to a trader's journey right there. At the same time, if you care about participating in an AI bot trading, we have a no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made performance based type of work. We're going to talk about it at the end. It's very simple and straightforward. What's going on with Solana, folks? Well, it is not amongst the top three trendings at the moment. Yeah, the overall crypto global market cap has decreased over last day with 0.56%. Not a big deal. We had the Federal Reserve not increasing the rate high, the interest rate, and it is at 5.25%. Between 5.5%, which is at the moment a decent time for the crypto space, which seems to be expecting a different journey. It seems to be expecting a different announcement. The reaction was not positive. The reaction was not portrayed as people would enjoy it. And that's obviously the brutal reality most of the time. Solana is out here trying to do much better than the other cryptocurrencies, excluding the Toncoin, which is a spectacular perspective right now. We have a 5.76% over the last 7 days. I mean, if you consider checking out the other ones, it's just XRP Ripple, which is in a great phase, 5.85%, doing a little better. At the end of the day, Solana did not suffer that much, just like BTC or Ethereum did, and we've been able to construct and build. It's clear that there is a new set of investors and community building around Solana. It's trying to survive, especially that there is no more the FTX fear around the topic. If you are familiar with this cryptocurrency and project, especially with the latest news around, I'm sure you heard about the FTX holdings of Solana, but they are under specific conditions and rules of sellout, and it's a total different story. Solana is not under that kind of a 40 to 50% risks of decrease in price drop in matter of a few hours because of the FTX holdings. They're not allowed to dump their whole package during the same time. They have a very limited amount of money they can sell out, and it's not necessarily to be out of Solana the whole package. It can be out of their other assets as well. So it's a total different thing, not like the media has portrayed it at that time, which is taking advantage and benefiting from this type of critical news. A lot of the YouTubers are putting out their great titles with Solana's death and so on, which is not the case, as we can see, and it has not been the case based on facts. Now, the emotional type of analysis is the biggest danger for a trader. I'm a trader since 2014, and I know the emotional type of technical analysis is the first and major source of losses that we have as traders. So I'm basically different into this. Now, what's been going on? Well, Solana has been flat and it has been losing the momentum, unfortunately, at the resistances. There is a conjunction between the 1.272 Fibonacci resistance on a horizontal phase and the downtrending resistance line that comes from the top of the structure. It's still intact and it has a strong representation. So there is a mixture here located somewhere around $20.5 on the Solana price, which is clearly not indicating the ability for us to climb above without having a strength on the momentum. The strength on the momentum cannot happen other than having a healthy Bitcoin or certain external news that belong to Solana project that would trigger a very strong movement. So if we don't have these two factors, or at least one of that appearing, then we are having to deal with issues. The issues are, as we already know, there is a lot of the people in minus with this cryptocurrency. So whatever kind of a sell-off we might get is going to be slow. It's going to be low. And I'm not pretty much scared at any level about the Solana's sell-out from this level, due to the fact that the price has decreased so much from the tops that the majority of people are sitting in minus and they're not willing to give away their bags for nothing. I mean, the reality is like that. You're not willing to give away for nothing in exchange. You better wait out for 2024. We get back into the bull run and you get into the profits again. This is the long story set in a short couple of words. That's it. From the momentum side, we have the CRSI indicating a loss of dominance from the bulls, representing a clear domination by the bears starting by the past 12 hours. And then other thing, in terms of the Andean oscillator, we have no spectacular representation or anything meaningful that's worth our discussion at the moment. That's it from that standpoint. I mean, any form of decrease from here, you should not expect basically Solana at $5 or $6 without having any dramatical external news. It is pretty much, at an extremely low possibility. I am keeping myself away to claim any form of sentence that would portray a sort of a way 100% probability in a direction or the other. So again, I cannot say in a 100% way, if I want to be professional, and I must be professional because I'm a trader, that Solana cannot go 100% back to $5. Because again, there are things which are always uncertain. There are things that I cannot have access. And there are always situations like this. So this is why none of the real traders, none of the professional ones are going to claim something in a 100% manner. If they're sure about, you can only be sure as a trader with 99.9%. And that's the maximum you can afford yourself. So we have to be very careful. Hopefully this video educates you folks. And at the same time, if you think and value education, make sure to check out our one-on-one coaching, which is live with me between 4 to 6 weeks. 10 lessons totally intensively where you learn how to trade directly from me. Check out our page, scrembocoaching.com. It's a little video here explaining, but you can qualify for a free conversation with me. Just register now. At the same time, for our bot trading, this is only for my close community and friends. If you are looking for participating into that's no issue. No prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made, where the whole trading goes from API trading permission. You got a trading permission, we trade, and the commission is paid by you every 7 days. Here's our performance on the left side, and then on the right side how you can join and all the other details. It's easy. Basically, we're looking for on the straightforward momentum and having the ability to discuss the details. Make sure to contact me and reach out. Have a good time, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy.